security app, SOS, in case you have a heart attack or get attacked or fall over. So we go to Google Play Store, we search for SOS. There's several to try. We try one and see how it goes. We'll try this one. Install this one, tap on that, tap on install. So that's installing. Right. Now I've got a spot on my home screen, so I want to install it there. So if I just swipe up, search for SOS, there is, hold it down, put it there. Right, so now if you have well, we have to set it up first, so let's go. We tap on SOS, we allow it to send and view SMS messages. That's the instructions of what to do, got it. Allow it to make phone calls, and allow it to get the location. So we go to the menu, you type in your name of the person you want to send. It sends a SMS message, a text message, and also sends your location. So you put in the name of the person you want to contact and their phone number. You can edit the SOS message, so generally you'd put your name, it's an emergency, please help, and save that. And that's about it. So that's it all. Once it's all set up, you just hit the SOS button. It's an error because we haven't set it up properly. But anyway, you just hit the SOS button and it will send a text. I sent it to two. I sent it to my brother and my niece. So hopefully one's available and they send you an ambulance, or at least give you a ring and see what the story is. So rather than pay for a service, you can use this one. The only thing you're required is you have to have cell phone coverage and you have to have some money so it can send a text or two. I carry it even if I'm just mowing the lawns in case you fall over or have a heart attack. You can just hit SOS. So another one I've got beside it is called ICE, which is in case of emergency. So I assume that if the police found you on the side of the road, they'd grab your phone, they'd look up ICE, and they've got all my next of kin, all my medical records and all that. So that's another one that you have for emergency.